Chat GPT is an artificial intelligence language model that can hold intelligent conversations with users in natural language. This groundbreaking technology has the ability to transform the way we communicate with computers. In this article, we'll explore how to use Chat GPT in Android and iOS devices to take advantage of its capabilities. Section 1. Installing and setting up Chat GPT. Download and install the Chat GPT app. Download and install the Chat GPT app from the Google Play Store for Android devices or the App Store for iOS devices. Create an account. Create an account with Chat GPT using your email or social media account. Set up your profile. Customize your profile by adding a profile picture and other relevant information. Section 2. Using Chat GPT. Starting a conversation. Open the Chat GPT app and tap on the chat icon to start a conversation with the language model. Ask questions. Ask Chat GPT questions by typing them in the chat box. The language model will provide you with relevant and accurate answers. Engage in conversations. Chat GPT can hold intelligent conversations on a range of topics, so engage with the language model to improve your conversational skills. Provide feedback. Provide feedback to Chat GPT to help improve its performance and accuracy. Try the different modes. Chat GPT has different modes, such as fun, serious, and flirty, which you can try out to have fun and explore its capabilities. Section 3. Best practices for chatting with Chat GPT. Be clear and concise. Phrase your questions and statements clearly and concisely to help Chat GPT understand your intentions. Use proper grammar. Use proper grammar and spelling when communicating with Chat GPT to avoid confusion and enhance the accuracy of responses. Be polite and respectful. Chat GPT is an AI model, but it's essential to treat it with politeness and respect when communicating with it. Conclusion. Chat GPT is an excellent tool that can be used for a range of purposes, from personal assistance to educational purposes. With this comprehensive guide on how to use Chat GPT on Android and iOS devices, you can leverage its capabilities and enhance your conversational skills. Remember to practice good communication etiquette when using Chat GPT, and provide feedback to improve its performance.